Carbon Capture 2.0, AI technologies reshaping our planet's future. Introduction. Imagine a world where we can extract carbon dioxide from the air, playing a vital role in combating climate change. Welcome to Carbon Capture 2.0. Here, advanced technologies and artificial intelligence are essential tools for transforming our planet's future. In this video, we'll explore how AI is revolutionizing carbon capture and its urgent importance, why it's important as global temperatures rise. Innovative solutions are critical. Carbon capture technologies can significantly reduce greenhouse gas emissions, essential for achieving net zero emissions. Studies show we need to capture billions of tons of CO2 annually. AI enhances these processes, improving efficiency and lowering costs to protect our planet. Main insights. 1. Enhanced efficiency with machine learning. AI algorithms analyze vast data to optimize carbon capture, predicting the most effective materials for CO2 absorption. 2. Real-time monitoring. AI enables real-time monitoring of carbon capture systems, allowing for quick detection of inefficiencies or leaks, ensuring optimal performance. 3. Predictive maintenance. AI-driven predictive analytics help foresee equipment failures, allowing for timely maintenance that saves money and maximizes uptime. Practical steps. 1. Research current technologies. Investigate AI-powered carbon capture technologies to identify the most effective solutions for your organization or community. 2. Collaborate with experts. Partner with environmental scientists and technology innovators to share resources and enhance outcomes. 3. Implement pilot projects. Start with pilot projects to test AI-driven carbon capture technologies in your context, analyze results, and make necessary adjustments. Common mistakes or cautions. Overestimating effectiveness. Recognize both the potential and limitations of AI in carbon capture. Neglecting maintenance. Regular maintenance is crucial to ensure AI optimizations remain effective. Ignoring data quality. Ensure the data used for training AI models is accurate and relevant to maximize effectiveness. Conclusion. The future of our planet relies on innovations like AI-driven carbon capture technologies. By understanding and implementing these solutions, we can make significant strides in combating climate change. Explore these technologies today and be part of the solution. If you found this video insightful, please like, share, and subscribe for more on how technology can help save our world. From data to solutions, AI innovations in carbon capture technology. Introduction. As climate change intensifies, innovative solutions are essential. AI-powered carbon capture technology stands out as a transformative tool in reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Let's explore how artificial intelligence is reshaping carbon capture and steering us toward a sustainable future. Why it's important. The Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change (IPCC) emphasizes the need to have global carbon emissions by 2030 to mitigate temperature rises. AI innovations in carbon capture not only facilitate emission reductions but also enhance the efficiency of these technologies, providing vital tools for cities and industries aiming to lower their carbon footprints. Main insights. 1. Enhanced efficiency through machine learning. AI algorithms analyze vast datasets to optimize carbon capture processes, identifying effective methods and materials for CO2 capture, which leads to higher efficiency and reduced operational costs. 2. Real-time monitoring and predictive maintenance. AI-powered sensors monitor carbon capture systems in real time, enabling predictive maintenance that identifies potential failures early, ensuring peak efficiency and resulting in cost savings and environmental benefits. Point 3. Integration with renewable energy sources. AI aids in synchronizing carbon capture systems with renewable energy, optimizing operations during peak energy supply and decreasing reliance on fossil fuels. Practical steps to implement AI innovations. 1. Assess current technologies. Evaluate existing carbon capture methods to identify where AI can enhance efficiency. Point 2. Invest in AI technologies. Partner with tech companies specializing in AI for carbon capture and implement tailored machine learning models. Point 3. Train your team. Equip your workforce with the necessary skills to operate AI-enhanced systems through workshops and training programs. Common mistakes or cautions. Overlooking data quality. Ensure that the data used in AI systems is clean and relevant, as AI's effectiveness depends on it. Neglecting human oversight. Maintain human expertise in AI operations to oversee and guide automated processes. Underestimating implementation time. Be prepared for potential delays when adopting AI technologies and remain flexible with your timeline. Conclusion. AI innovations in carbon capture technology are crucial for effectively addressing climate change. By leveraging these advancements, we can create a more sustainable future. Join the effort to combat climate change. Explore AI solutions for carbon capture today. Source list: IPCC Climate Change Report, Machine Learning in Carbon Capture, Real-Time Monitoring in Carbon Capture Systems. Video script: Revolutionizing Carbon Capture, How AI is Fighting Climate Change. Introduction. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're addressing a critical issue: climate change. As our planet faces unprecedented challenges, AI-powered carbon capture technologies are emerging as a vital solution. How is AI reshaping our approach to greenhouse gases? Let's find out why it's important. The climate crisis requires urgent action. The Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change (IPCC) states we must cut global carbon emissions by 45% by 2030 to limit warming to 1.5 degrees Celsius. Failure to act could lead to severe consequences like extreme weather and rising sea levels. AI-driven carbon capture technologies can significantly reduce atmospheric CO2, making them essential in our climate fight. Main insights. 1. Optimizing carbon capture processes. AI algorithms enhance the efficiency of carbon capture systems by analyzing data in real time, improving capture methods by up to 30% compared to traditional techniques. Point 2. Predictive maintenance. AI enables predictive maintenance in carbon capture facilities, reducing downtime and operational costs by forecasting equipment failures through sensor data analysis. Point 3. Enhanced material discovery. AI accelerates the discovery of new materials that absorb CO2 more effectively, utilizing machine learning to identify promising candidates for breakthroughs in material science. Practical steps. 1. Investigate carbon capture technologies. Research various carbon capture technologies to understand their mechanisms and efficiencies. Point 2. Support innovations.